Okay, if you are choosing the 3D pen, here is where your supplies are. Here are the silicone tips for your finger to protect the end that is going to be close to the tip of the 3D pen. The blue is the smaller size. I have fat fingers, so I use the clear one. When you are finished, notice there are some alcohol pads here. You're going to clean it before you return it to this container. Here are the colors of filament. I recommend minimizing to just a couple of colors because the loading and unloading and changing of the filament does take some time. Okay. If you are choosing the My NT 3D printing pen, you have two here. So you would, if you were the first person grabbing it, you would take a mat, take a pen, cord, block, okay? If you are the second person, this would be gone, right? So then there's your mat and there's your pen, okay? Over here, we have the scribed 3D pen. So if you are first, you're gonna take a pen and then a 3D, the printing pad from this pile. And then the next person continues. The last person would take the last mat and the last pen. There's an exact number out here. So then you're going to put them back exactly in the same location. The white cords here, these pens here like this, black cords, the black 3D pens. All right, so it should look like this when you are finished.